a happy and healthy lifestyle. Mahatma Gandhi says it is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver. Isn't it true that if a person is healthy, he can prosper in his life? Today, people are trying so hard to be successful that they forget to take care of the most important part of life, that is health. With this fast-paced lifestyle, people face stress and mental breakdown. This type of lifestyle is affecting both physical and mental health. There are many problems like high blood pressure, diabetes, thyroid, and many disorders that are becoming common now. To avoid such problems, it is necessary that there should be some types of physical activities. The main purpose of doing physical activity is to increase blood circulation throughout the body. Yoga is one such exercise that doesn't have any age restriction. It is simple yet effective. Yoga was derived from a Sanskrit word yuj, which means to unite or to integrate. It is a 5,000-year-old Indian spiritual and ascetic discipline. It is a way to harmonize the body with mind and breathe by various breathing exercises, yoga poses and meditation. A few hundred years ago, people who practiced yoga lived for a long time without any health problems. Learning yoga can feel like learning a new language and a new culture. Yoga needs dedication. It is all about breath, posture, focus and movement. Yoga is all about flexibility. In the beginning, it may feel a bit tough and the body mind not be that flexible. It may seem difficult, but it is the most gentle and effective way to instill flexibility. Yoga becomes a part of the routine after regular practice. The focused breathing helps release endorphins and helps to keep the mind and body calm, clear and energized throughout the day. Here are various benefits of practicing yoga. Here are few benefits of yoga. Proven effective for weight loss and fat loss. Relaxes mind and body. Improves breathing. Reduces stress. Improves sleep quality. Relieves anxiety. Improves posture. Improves self-control. Boosts immunity. How can you incorporate yoga in your daily lifestyle? Number 1. Practice yoga daily, either through a class or at home. Yoga has a variety of levels, so you don't need to be an expert to get started. Whether you take the class at your local gym or yoga studio or borrow a DVD from the library, working on improving your own yogic practice is one of the keys to a healthy yoga lifestyle. According to my opinion, regular yoga can help fight stress, improve physical fitness, and help manage chronic conditions like pain, anxiety, and insomnia. It's the practice that's the cornerstone of a healthy yoga lifestyle. Number 2. Evaluate your diet and return to your daily routine with foods that are in harmony with yogic teachings. This means eating foods and are considered sattvic, meaning that they keep both the mind and body active. Yoga just points to fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains as sattvic food. While you don't need to become vegetarian to practice yoga and lead a healthy lifestyle, look for foods that are nourishing, light, and make you feel good. Number 3. Practice your yogic breathing on a regular basis. Not only proper breathing will help you to achieve proper poses, but it can help lower your stress levels out of the studio as well. Yoga breathing helps you focus your breath, reduce quick breathing, and increase oxygen intake. Yoga breath is done by breathing in deeply through the nose and then pushing the air through the nose forcefully, as though you were trying to fog up a mirror. Use yogic breathing when you are anxious and stressed as well as in downward dog. 4. Practice yoga reported to help you banish insomnia and get the 7 to 9 hours of necessary sleep each night as recommended by the National Sleep Foundation. Calming poses like corpse pose, or Happy Baby can help you wind down before bed, preparing your mind and your body for restful sleep, which is vital to a healthy lifestyle. Number 5. Add other methods of exercise to your routine. While yoga can help improve flexibility and strength, a healthy exercise routine also includes cardio for at least 30 minutes each day. Dancing, cycling, running and swimming all go well with the yogic lifestyle and can help you reach your goal for healthier habits. Yoga exercises for night. Yoga poses can provide a variety of physical and mental benefits. Some poses help you feel more energized or focused, while others can help you relax and unwind from the stresses of your day and help you easy into a more restful sleep. And if you have difficulty falling asleep on a regular basis, yoga exercises for night time may provide relief from these symptoms, says the Art of Living Foundation. Breathing exercises. Practicing yoga deep breathing exercises can be a helpful way to focus your mind and body in your nighttime intention, such as relaxation or better sleep. You might also include a short meditation as a way for preparing for your nighttime practice, says Women's Health Magazine. Sit in a cross-legged position on your bed or in another comfortable spot. Rest your hands on your knees and close your eyes. Just pay attention to your breath for a few moments. Focus your mind on your intention. Breathe from your belly and try to gradually slow down the length of each inhalation and exhalation until you feel calmer and more relaxed. Legs of the Wall pose. Legs of the Wall or Viparita Karani is a restorative yoga pose that helps calm the mind and can help elevate feelings of fatigue in your legs and feet. You can practice this pose on your bed if it is near a wall or on a soft padded surface such as yoga mat. Lie on your side with your back close to the wall. Inhale and roll over into your back as you simultaneously swing both legs up to rest on the wall. Keep your legs straight, or if you prefer, bend your knees. Extend your arms out straight by your sides. Some people find it helpful to use an eye bag to block out light or to cover themselves with a soft blanket to keep warm. While practicing this pose, stay in this pose for as long as you wish. Child pose. The child pose, also known as Balasana, is a restful restorative yoga pose that can help you easy into sleep. To perform this pose, kneel on your bed or yoga mat with your heels together. Slowly lower your back down to sit on your heels. Bend forward, resting your chest on your thighs and your forehead on your bed or mat. Stretch your arms straight out on the floor over your head. Stay in this pose as for long as you like, focusing on taking long, slow and deep breaths. Forward bend. Forward bending yoga poses are soothing and relaxing to the central nervous system because they promote the flow of energy to the spine while increasing blood flow to the heart, neck and head, says author Alice Lest Kelly in an article for Yoga Journal. To perform a simple seated forward bend that can help you relax and prepare for bedtime. Sit on your bed with your legs stretched out straight and your feet together. Slowly round forward over your legs, allowing your upper body to relax. If it feels comfortable for you, grab hold of your toes to help gently increase the stretch. Stay and take several deep breaths. Now that we know the importance and benefits of this yoga, let us do it regularly to maintain healthy lifestyle. Let us get all the health benefits out of it. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Be healthy and stay safe.